Hello and welcome to Sing It to the World. My name is Daria, I'm a singer and a vocal coach, and today we're looking at Ariana Grande vocal warm-up, or what warm-ups to do if you want to sing some Ariana Grande songs or sound a little more like Ariana Grande. When we think about Ariana Grande's vocals, we think about a bright kind of tone, we think about a very powerful kind of belting, we think about vocal runs and agility, and some falsetto, I'd say, as well. So let's focus on these things today in our warm-ups. Let's go. The first exercise we're gonna do is a siren. A siren is probably the first exercise any singer starts with. It's a gentle kind of hum or a lip trill, going from your low notes to your high notes and back, very gently, very smoothly. So something like this. You can also do it on a lip trill. You can do it on a... This exercise stretches your vocal folds very gently, and it is a perfect place to start. For the second exercise of this Ariana Grande warm-up, let's do a little bit of a nya, okay? So the N is gonna get the brightness for you, yeah? That bright tone we spoke about earlier. I need you to be very extra about it. So exaggerate it a little. Go nya, okay? It's quite nasally. It's right here. Nya. And let's try it on this, okay? On these notes. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. And keep it staccato-y. Short notes, jumpy. Yeah? And make sure that the N is emphasized. Keep going. It's my cat. One more. See how exaggerated it is. Lovely. Let's do a few more. Very exaggerated. Do one more for me. Very good. Well done. You can also use sounds like nay, 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 nay. But I find that nyah is very good for exaggeration to really get that brightness out. It doesn't mean you're gonna sing like this. No, not at all. It just helps you boost bright frequencies in your voice. That's all. Let's move on to the next exercise. It's called no/now. And also, you can find all these exercises we're going to sing today in the description below as tracks. I've got individual little tracks for you to practice with. Now, no/now is a very good exercise. Why? Because it gets you belting, especially after this one we've just done, which is the nya. We're going to work on belting and we're going to work on range, because Ariana is all about range, agility, bright tone. This is what we're doing today. Now, this is how it goes. No, 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 now. No, 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 now. And you're moving your sound up gradually. Think of it that way. It's like a wave. No, 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 now. Okay, and open your mouth on the now. Let's go. Remember, it's like a wave. Yeah, we're moving it forward. It's bright. Make sure to switch to your mixed voice or head voice even if you feel like it's too much. Just keep it exaggerated, okay? This kind of thing, okay? Really bright. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 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 now. No, 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 now. Keep going. do a couple more. And we're going down. Keep exaggerated. Yeah, a few more. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Very well done. And you can find the track in the description below, as I mentioned earlier today, and give it a try at your own pace. Just make sure that you do like a wave thing and that you change your mouth position from no to now as you go higher. And the last exercise I suggest we do is we focus on head voice, falsetto, and agility, the vocal runs. The exercise goes like this. Start on a head voice or falsetto. If you want it breathier, do keep your mouth relaxed so it's not goo, it's there's a bit of space here, okay? Why don't we give it a try? Ready? Do one more. Make sure that your mouth is relaxed, your jaw. Yeah. Lovely. Beautiful. And again, you can do this exercise at your own pace. Just check out the link in the description below. A little tip. If you feel like vocal runs are a bit too much, you can always slow them down and you can choose points of emphasis within that run. So when you go the are slightly louder than the rest. And that just gives you a bit more flow within the vocal run, and it's not all the same sort of level of volume. You are just keeping it really dynamic. That way, okay? Give it a try for me and see what you think. So, for this Ariana Grande vocal warm-up, we looked at bright tone, forward kind of placement, belting. We looked at vocal runs and agility, and head voice and falsetto too. We looked at quite a lot in just 4 exercises. We also looked at range a little bit, didn't we? And making sure that we expanded and hit all these notes effectively. Don't forget to give this video a like, a share, and subscribe to Sing It to the World for more videos. I'll see you next time.